Then Jesus put another parable before them, saying, "The kingdom of heaven is like a grain of mustard seed that a man took and sowed in his field. It is the smallest of all seeds, but when it has grown, it is larger than all the garden plants and becomes a tree, so that the birds of the air come and make nests in its branches." In the mustard seed parable, Jesus tells a simple story about how a tiny mustard seed grows into a big tree. Even though we may not always notice, or may somehow lose track, God's work in our lives grows over time. Jesus used this example to help us understand that big things can sometimes start small. We just need to trust Him and keep growing. God's greater plan for you and for us takes time.